Hey, my little creative friends. Welcome back to ABC for Kids, the place where we turn learning into fun. Hi, I'm Rudy, and today we're going to have a super special drawing adventure just for you. Are you ready to get creative today? Great! Let's go ahead and get started then. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So you never miss out on any other fantastic drawing adventures. And you can learn all kinds of drawings from all types of animals, and it helps the channel grow too, so we can bring more art from us to you. Yay! Well, today we're going to draw something extra special, a cute whale. Yeah, amazing, right? Well, so grab your pencils, your markers, papers, and whatever you have, and let's get started. Okay, come on, let's go. We're gonna draw a big friendly blue whale. Yeah, with the water spouting from the top of his head. Do you want to see what that looks like, my friends? Yes? Alright, well then let's go. First, we're gonna go ahead and start, by drawing an oval for the whale's body, okay? And it starts like this. No, well, you know what? Before we do that, let's put some water in it, and then let's get him started. Here we go. You do the water like this, just like a wavy line. There you go. Just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and do like an oval, but except we're gonna bring it this way. Like that, we can add the tail. See? Just like that. Isn't that awesome? Yeah. Now we're gonna put the bottom of the whale, just like this. And then let's add some lines. There you go. It's like the chin of the whale. Amazing, isn't it? Now, from right here, let's add a curve. That way he's got a smiling. See? Look, he's still cute. He's smiling. And then let's draw a big circle like this. That's going to be for his eye. Yes, whales have big eyes. Then we're going to go ahead and color it in. There you go. Just like that. That's so amazing. I love it. And this helps the whale look nice, cute, and friendly like, right? So now we already added a gentle curve for the mouth. Came out amazing, right? Yeah, like I said earlier, he's smiling. Look at him. He's happy. Awesome job, you guys. Alrighty then. Now that we got that going, and we took care of the big eye also, because he's got to have an eye. He's got to, so he can look cute. Now let's color it, okay? So it looks nice and beautiful. All right. Now, my creative friends. Now here comes the fun part. Imagine a water spout, okay, coming out from the top of his head, and it's water. Yes, let's draw it. All right. Well, here comes the water spout out from the top of his head, just like this. It almost looks like the tail. You see, just like that. And then we'll put some drops like this to show that it's shooting out, just like that. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Yeah, you see, that looks nice. And let's not forget to put his arm. There you go. It's not like ours. They have fins. We have arms. But let's put some little curved lines to show that he's having fun. He's just wagging his tail back there. Same thing right here was his fin doing the same thing. And because we love whales so much, why don't we go ahead and show him our love and let's draw him a heart. Yeah, just like that. All right. So what do y'all think? Huh? Awesome? Amazing? Yes, it is, right? All right. Now that we got the water drawn, we have our well drawn, the water spout drawn. Now it's time to, get creative and let's bring our well to life by giving it some amazing colors. Okay? So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some blue, light blue for the sky. Okay? Dark blue for the water and medium blue for the well. But hey, you can use any color you want. Remember, it's your drawing, it's your well. Make it your own, okay? But don't forget to make sure we color the water spout the same color as the water so it stands out. Okay? All right. So here we go. Remember, light blue. We're going to use light blue for the sky. Now, I'm doing it fast only because of time. But you could take your time and and go as long as you want. Go slow. Me, I have to do it fast because you can only make these videos so long. Or you can always pause it, and then when you're done with that part, we go to the next one. Okay. Now, color my whale. Ooh, he looks so cute. Look at that. Remember, he doesn't have to be this color. You can make it any color you want. Okay, as long as you have fun. And then the water down there. Now remember, the water, that's the ocean here, and the water come off from the top of his head, the spout, has to be the same color. Okay? Because the water goes in and through his mouth, and then he shoots it out to the top. Yeah. See, we learned something today, didn't we? And then color the heart. Oh, look at that. It looks so cute. You know what? Let's add one more thing to it, just for fun. Let's put a sun right there. There we go. All right. Well, there you go. What do you think, huh? Like I said, and because we love our world so much, we put a heart. Yeah, and our world is smiling, he's happy, and he's having fun. So, well, there we go. Look at our adorable well, surrounded by beautiful blue sky and water. And that heart, oh, so cute. Now, that shows how much we love our wells. Do you like wells? Do you? All right, me too. Well, I had so much fun, drawing and coloring this amazing, wonderful well with all my creative friends here on ABC for Kids. Well, we have learning and drawing where we make it so fun and exciting for you guys. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Well, that's it for today. But on our drawing adventure here on ABC for Kids, well, my friends, I hope you had a blast creating your very own true and made masterpiece. Remember, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any exciting drawings. Alright, well, until next time, my little creative friends, keep those pencils moving and keep creating. From all of us here at ABC for Kids. Bye for now. Bye.